If you're going through menopause and experiencing hot flashes and stress, biofeedback and relaxation therapy might be a great option. Relaxation therapy involves techniques like paced respiration, progressive muscle relaxation, deep breathing, guided imagery, and biofeedback. These techniques help you to control your stress response and reduce your symptoms. So let's explore them a little further. First, paced respiration involves slow, deep breathing regularly, usually with a set count for inhaling and exhaling. It can help to slow down your breathing and reduce stress. Secondly, progressive muscle relaxation involves tensing and then releasing different muscle groups in your body, one at a time, to help you relax and reduce tension. Thirdly, deep breathing is a technique which involves taking slow, deep breaths from your diaphragm, rather than shallow breaths from your chest. It can help to reduce stress and calm your body. Next, guided imagery involves using your imagination to create a calming scene in your mind, such as a peaceful beach or a beautiful forest. This can help to reduce stress and promote relaxation. And lastly, biofeedback involves using a device to monitor your bodily functions like heart rate, skin temperature, and muscle tension. The device then provides feedback to you, so you can control your stress responses using one of the relaxation methods just discussed: guided imagery, deep breathing, and paced respiration. Studies have shown that relaxation techniques like paced respiration and progressive muscle relaxation may reduce the frequency of hot flashes and improve psychological symptoms of menopause. However, some authors caution about the low study quality and small sample sizes. That means the studies were so small, you couldn't rely confidently on the results. Another study found that relaxation techniques might positively benefit vasomotor symptoms, such as hot flashes, night sweats, and stress. Still, they could not be recommended at that time due to low-quality evidence and inconsistent findings. Despite this, many people have found that relaxation therapy has positively impacted their lives. They feel more relaxed and in control, and their hot flashes become less frequent. So if you're looking for a natural way to manage your menopausal symptoms, relaxation therapy might be worth trying. However, it's essential to consider finding a therapist specializing in it.